The first time you use fast newsletters in Mailchimp, you'll open them in a campaign window. Then you'll notice that there's no logo showing at the top or down at the bottom. There are blanks where a logo should appear. To fix that, you won't use Mailchimp's brand kit because these newsletters use the Legacy Builder. Instead, you'll add the logo inside the email itself. You only need to do this once, then it's done for all future emails. To start, click on Edit Design. Notice the empty logo area. Click on the pencil icon to open the edit window on the right, then click Upload Logo. Then upload your logo. I already have one here, so I'll just use that. Click it once to activate it. Then go up to the menu arrow next to the View Details button. Select Set My Logo. Then insert. Now you see your logo. Click Save and Close to exit the logo panel. If you scroll down, it will look like there's still no logo loaded. But Mailchimp only makes the magic happen when you view the email in preview mode. As you can see here. Now, if you've already uploaded a logo and want to change it, the process is slightly different. Stay tuned. To change a logo that's already been uploaded, it's not as straightforward as you'd think it should be. Let's start with a new campaign. Open the editing screen by clicking on Edit Design. Now find the logo and click the pencil icon to open the editing panel on the right. Click Upload Logo. Upload a new logo, or in this case, I'll pick one I've already uploaded. Click to activate it. Then go up to the menu arrow next to the View Details button. Select Set My Logo. Now when prompted, you need to click Replace My Logo. Okay, here's where it gets a little weird. After clicking to replace the logo, Mailchimp will try getting you to go to the brand kit. But the brand kit doesn't work with the Legacy Builder, so just ignore this page and click Insert instead. And it gets even weirder here, because instead of your logo, a random image from your content studio will be inserted. Odd, right? So you need to replace this image with your logo. This time you're simply replacing the image, not changing the logo. Click to activate, then insert the logo directly. Save and close that editing panel. Then enter preview mode. Notice that the logo appears correctly in both places. You won't need to do the double insert again after the first time. Now your logo will show in all future newsletters. Let's run through the entire process quickly once more. Click the pencil to open the edit panel. Replace image. Select the image. Set My Logo. Replace logo. Insert instead of following the attempt to push you to the brand kit. Ignore the random picture. Replace it with your logo again. Now you're done for good unless you want to change the logo again someday.